testimonials now appear across the internet on websites and social media. The good news is they are now more achievable than ever before. Some large companies spend a lot on corporate video testimonial production, utilizing companies such as us at smartketing.eu to produce professional video content. Technological advances are now making video testimonials even accessible for SME owners and freelancers. You don't always need to use the services of a video production company, and we have COVID-19 to thank, at least in part. Since the coronavirus pandemic, we are now more accepting of mobile phone footage, even on TV. This is the same for corporate video production too. More than 60% of people use the internet from their mobile devices. Most of the search engines and apps are now working on mobile-friendly interfaces. Google has also announced that it will focus on mobile versions of sites to rank and index them. Designing your campaigns with mobile in focus can help you to stay ahead of the competition. When planning your marketing strategy, don't overlook the impact of video testimonials. This should form part of an ongoing video marketing strategy, not a one-and-done approach. A common mistake for small businesses hiring a corporate video production company. Understandable, as the cost can sometimes prove prohibitive. It's important to have fresh video testimonials running monthly. This keeps your product or service relevant when compared to your competition. We know 5G mobile connectivity will soon be a mainstream technology. With it, 5G will bring a fresh wave of video consumption. Video already exceeds 80% of all internet usage worldwide. Better connectivity will see this increase. Video is the most shared and consumed form of content across the internet and social media. Here are 3 keys to having a successful ongoing video testimonial plan. First is to get at least 6 or more video testimonials to set the standard and inspire others. This gives others you want to get video testimonials from a benchmark for the video. This gives an immediate bank of video testimonials to publish over time. Secondly, before you launch your campaign, promote it at least a few weeks before, the same as you would any other marketing campaign, the same as you would do with any other marketing campaign. This is where those previous video testimonials you made will come into play. Third, consider a little incentive to offer to your customers. The big brands do it, so why shouldn't you? How can you get people you aren't face-to-face with to make a video testimonial? Give them access to a special offer or promote their business in your social feed. As you release your testimonials, say thank you. Most of us are happy to help when we understand how valuable and appreciated it is. With your smartketing.eu video account, you can capture as many video testimonials as you want. You only pay for the video testimonial you want to publish or have smartketing.eu to create for you. If you haven't had the chance to learn about the platform yet, then be sure to visit the website. It's a clever tool that gives you a video production company at your fingertips. Producing marketing and promotional video has never been easier and quicker than even a professional corporate video company can do. If you are planning to go it alone, saving on the cost of video production, here are a few things you should remember. Put a call to action to each of your video. Use a catching title. Start with the hook and use music in your video. Although there are many things to consider for marketing videos, these are most important. If you are new to video and have this time to learn, you can use online editing platforms to make video content. Video which engages and inspires your viewer, leaving a lasting positive impression. Although social media is full of video, there is not yet anything better to take its place. So, embrace it. It may be a nail-biting thought, and the competition is tough, but go for it. A dash of creativity, a bucket of enthusiasm, and a little patience will see your efforts reap rewards.